Hi everybody, from Alessandro Ronca and the Fair Tech Revolution. Today we are going to talk about solar farming. Stay with me. What do I mean with solar farming? Yes, you would say, what is this? Why solar farming? Because what I want to tell you is how you can irrigate your plant, your garden, only using the sun. In fact, what I'm going to show you is how a photovoltaic system can power a submersible pump that will fill up a gravity tank from where you can take water and irrigate the plant. This system are very many years we are using here in Pair with high satisfaction, and what I want to do, I want to share this with you. How does it work? It's very simple. And this is the key of the success of a project. More is simple, more it can work very well. The idea is that a single photovoltaic module with the power only of 115 watts, 12 volts, he directly power a DC pump. This DC pump is inside a tank in our case, but can be even in a well, and when the sun rises, the photovoltaics start to produce power and the pump starts to work. What happened with a single pipe, the pressure and the water goes up. Here it found non-return valves, so it cannot go here. So he passed this way and found a ball valve. When the tank is completely filled, the ball valve will close it. And what will happen? That the pressure inside the pump will increase because the pump is still working, and a pressure switch will disconnect the power from the panel to the pump, and the pump will stop. Why this? Because what you will do, you cannot irrigate plants when there is the sun. So you need to do this at night. And instead to use battery, that is something that can be spoiled easily, what we will do, we will use the gravity of the water that will keep the energy stored in gravity, and when you will need at night, you will just open the valve and the irrigation will start to drop and irrigate the plant. This is a very simple thing, but it's also done only with one pipe. So what does it mean? That you can connect more part of the garden during the running of the pipe. So it's very comfortable if you want to increase your garden in the time being. And what's happened also, that when the water goes down, here it will find the non-return valve, so it cannot go back in the tank, and it can just go here in the on the plant. The good thing is that the pump is a very efficient pump because it's a DC pump, it's a diaphragm pump that can bring water up to 7 bar and 300 liters per day. So with only 115 watts of energy, in our places we irrigate almost 4,000 square meters of garden. That is quite a lot, because we are able to bring in this tank almost 3,000 liters per day, and that is very, very efficient. So I hope you will understand everything. You can also download the draw inside the PDF that is below at the link. And whatever you want to ask, you can feel free to comment, and please watch our channel and like it is. Hi!